India is one of Afghanistan's biggest donor nations in the war-torn country's reconstruction efforts, and New Delhi has been supportive of the peace process, the government has asserted. Rejecting the Afghanistan Taliban statement that India has been playing a negative role in the country for the past 40 years, the spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Grant Hewat, said that Afghanistan's relations with India are within international frameworks and based on mutual respect. India has been a key stakeholder in the peace process and reconciliation process in Afghanistan. It has been supporting a national peace and reconciliation process which is Afghan-led, Afghan-owned and Afghan-controlled. Hewat told Radio Azadi that so far India has been cooperating in the development and reconstruction areas and is expected to contribute to the peace process as well. India is one of the biggest donor countries and has helped Afghanistan in development and reconstruction areas. We appreciate their cooperation. We expect India and other neighboring countries to play a significant role in Afghan peace process, Hewat said. The deputy of Qatar-based Taliban political office, Mullah Abbasir Zai, recently alleged that during the last 2 decades, India has only cooperated and kept ties with those who are corrupt and have been put in power by foreigners not elected by Afghanistan people. He mentioned that India should cooperate with Afghan peace process. US Representative for Peace and Reconciliation, Zalmay Khalilzad, had discussed the Afghanistan peace with Indian officials and sought their cooperation during his visit to India. Khalilzad was in New Delhi earlier this month. Afghan political analyst Khalid Sadat told Radio Azadi that if the Taliban continues to make such remarks, it will hurt Afghanistan's diplomatic ties in the future. Taliban should not give themselves this liberty to make country and state level remarks, as it will have negative consequences for Afghanistan in the future. And the other thing is that India and Pakistan are having historical enmity, and Pakistan is playing a proxy role in Afghanistan, and the Taliban are being accused of playing Pakistan's proxy role in Afghanistan and are backed by Pakistan. I believe these are assertions of the Taliban are on Pakistan's demand, he said. Sadat further said that considering the peace process, the Taliban should try to foster good relations with all the countries to have their present and future support. On Monday, Afghanistan's acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mohammad Hanif Atmar, held a video conference call with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Both the sides discussed issues of mutual interest, including those pertaining to the economic and security cooperation and the Afghan peace process. Meanwhile, India on Sunday welcomed the power-sharing deal between Afghan President Ashraf Ghani and his rival Abdullah Abdullah after months of bitter disputes over the results of last year's presidential election that pushed the country into a political crisis.